Stop.
Hello, this is Mark. I'm going to show you how to replace FPC cable and decoder today. This is the FPC cable. This is the 29 pins and 120 centimeter. This one is decoder. To do so, I will need to dismantle the pin head and also remove the clip of the jack chain and also remove the back cover and remove the FPC cable. Okay, let's do it. Remove the screws from the back cover, few screws. Please be careful because there's the FPC cable on the back to the panel. So when you remove the cover, please slowly and carefully. This is the schematic of UV printer, and this one is the FPC cable for the print head left socket, and the lower one is for the right socket. Go back to the main board, and this cable, the upper one, is for the left, is the left socket, and the lower one is the right socket. You can see we have the mark R. Okay. Then this is the ink pipe. I will push the pipe and drag the FPC cable from the other side. Then I will remove the mantle clip, also the print head. Temporarily use a plastic bag to hold the ink sac. As of now, the FPC cable was disassembled. In most of cases, to replace the FPC cable means the print head was damaged or bad printing. So the print head need to replace as well. The next step, I will place the new FPC cable to the UV printer. This is the FPC cable. I will have mark on it. This cable I name it for the left. I will mark it on the both sides to avoid the mistake. The other one I name it right R. Okay. The right cable upside down, and the left one, this is left one, put over the right cable and lower by 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters from the top of the left cable. This two tape is the position mark we will have. It's easy for the installation. Then turn it back 180 degrees to fit to the jack train. Pour the in pipe, leave the hole, and insert the FPC cable. Please take care the pin of the FPC cable to make sure it's inserted correctly. Put the FPC cable into the jack chain and close the clip. This is the position marked by the receive tape, and from here to the end is the 28 centimeter. Is the left cable to the upper socket. This for the left socket, and the lower one for the right socket. This one. And the lower one need the cable upside down. The pin is on downside, and the upper one, the pins, is on the upper side. Then arrange the cable somehow, and then it's okay. Then we can remove the marker on both sides. Okay, as of now, FPC cable replacement is finished. For printhead installment, we have separate video, so I will not demo on this video. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.